He is not normal. Oh my God.
Stop. I want you to visit.
Get out of my room.
Here, eat.
Now, who's the scary cat now?
You.
Gotta go.
No one want it.
No, he's gonna come back.
How you like it? Look nice. Hey, look at nice.
Oh, you want some more? I don't give up. Just like you do.
I'm just going to your room. I'm just going to your room.
No, get out.
This is like it's really a room. This is like it's really his room. He won't let me in.
Hey,
Food.
get away from my food. Okay, no. Back to no, get away from my room.
I'm in your room.
That's my room.
Oh, look at mice. You saw mice in the black and yellow. Okay, can we take it from the top?
Cat gone wild.